evening time, everybody. Hope y'all doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Alrighty, guys, bear with me. I may cough or whatever. I've got a real bad cold. We're looking at a straight 8-pill Toshiba box. Don't think it was originally a Donkey Stomper. I think I redid it for the guy. Worked on it or something. Wire upgrade and some other stuff or something or other. I don't remember. But anyway, sent it in for repair. The only problem with it was the wire, it came off the on and off switch. Wished I'd known that. I told you to fix it yourself. I put the wire back on and off switch, turned it on. It's good to go. Alrighty, guys, we'll start straight through SWR like we do. Hello, worldwide. Hello, worldwide. Get on down. Get on down. Good to go. Input SWR radio drive. Hello, worldwide. 114.6. Hello, worldwide. Wide. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-pill on 13.8 going into it. Hello, 2-pill, driver. That's a pretty good watch. 19 some change. I do notice this one likes to knock out my speakers, so if it sounds funky when I key up, you know why. Real quick clock. Well, I forgot the bird. Look at the bird. My bad. Turn the driver back on. Look at the bird. 2500 watt PEP. Reading top scale. Hello, little 15 some change, 1750. Just real quick like. It was on there, but it wasn't on peak. Look at the outdoor dummy load, radio drive. Hello, outdoor dummy load. Get on down to the world of sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming through my computer speakers. Get on down. Hello. Hit the driver. Hello, driver. Throwing down to 14.5. It's the Toshiba box. Get on down. 1, 2. 19 some change. I want to hit 2, somebody can't stand it. Get on down. 1, 2. It's a healthy box. So there it is, bud. Your 8-pill Toshiba box is up and ready to go for you. Just a real quick test review showing it's all working. Alrighty, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Guys, we have a monthly giveaway. Sometimes we'll do 1 pill, sometimes we'll do 2 pills, sometimes we'll do radio, just whatever's in the mood for. Is for Patreon YouTube channel members. I still got some stuff to give away on YouTube public. Hadn't had time to do it. I'm trying to get stuff done before I go on vacation. Maybe I'll try to do a giveaway or something. Alright, guys. Appreciate you watching. There's an Amber Alert. Hope it didn't knock out the video. Y'all take care. Y'all Fred and 10. 01 AB. It's Donkey Stomper Products. It's DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Bye-bye.